Hi everybody, it's Franny from... Oh, hold on just a second. Oh, there we go. This is Franny from Heidi and Franny's Garage, and today we're going to be replacing these bonnet struts on the 996. Now this, I think these are probably the originals on the car, and the hood is falling down pretty easily now, so I think it's time to replace them. It's a super easy job, just takes a second, and you'll be so happy you did it. All you're really going to need for this is a new set of struts. So these are Stabilis struts. I've got a pair of them online for about 40 bucks. Super simple. And you'll need a small screwdriver as well. There's a clip on the back of this ball connector here we're going to have to pop off. And I have the bonnet supported. I kind of cheated. I hooked up a bungee cord to it and hooked it up to the car above it. But you'll need something to prop the hood up. Well, as soon as you take this off, boy, this thing's gonna definitely come down pretty quickly. All right, since it's a clip and I don't know where it's gonna go, I always have my safety glasses on. So what you wanna do is you wanna stick your screwdriver in the slot here, and instead of trying to pull the screwdriver towards you, push it towards the car actually, so towards the inside, and the clip will start to pop out. And then as it pops out, you can continue kind of out with it. There we go. And the clip will come right off. And then with the clip off, we can just pull this off. There we go. And we do the same thing for the one at the bottom. There we go. There's our old strut off. We're just going to clean our balls here. The ball link here. Go ahead and clean this. There's just some old grease in there. I want to get that off. Make sure these are nice and clean. All right, make sure that's nice and clean. We're going to do the one down at the bottom as well. With those cleaned, we'll put on a little bit of grease. Just the teeniest dabs, all you need. That's almost too much. Just a little bit. Do the one at the bottom as well. So here's the cool part. You don't have to take that little clip off when you put these guys back on. They'll just snap right on. Go ahead and snap this one on. Boom. See how easy that is? And we'll go ahead and do the top one. Boom. And we're on. And there you go. Super simple to replace the bonnet struts. So if your hood is falling down and conking you on the head, this is a super easy repair you can do. It doesn't cost much money. It only takes you a few minutes to get it done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It was useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you got any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below and I'll go ahead and get right to them. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, safe travels. Bye.